Magdalene has just opened a small outlet where she makes and sells pap in any quantity of her choice. She sells where she produces the pap. And close to her shop is Evelyn's shop, where she makes mats for sale. In that market, they all make different useful things like clay pots, handmade bags, shoes, mats, cultural dresses, musical instruments like drums, flutes, and so on. It is their local markets where they make local items and sell to those living within that area. About 10 kilometers away from this local market is a bigger market, though the market sells to only those within the states. For instance, Yoruba is a language for those in the southwest region in Nigeria. So the sales of Yoruba novels are in South region markets and cannot be in the north, you understand? But English books and are general books that can be used by everyone in the country, since English language is a general language in Nigeria. In the market where sales of goods are for everyone in the state is a national market. So what they sell in national markets are general items that can be used all over the country. For example, in India, they mostly wear sari and it is common to every person in India. So the sale and purchase of sari is in the national markets. Can you name any good or product that is being sold worldwide? Yes, gold is one of them. Gold, silver phones, electronic appliances, and many other goods that are imported or exported among countries or continents possesses international markets. So in summary, market is classified based on locations, which are either local markets, regional markets, national markets, and international markets. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson.